Hey guys, TechDude731 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Linksys AE600 wireless AC mini USB adapter. Let's take a look at the front of the box here. You can see it's AC 580, meaning it is dual band with 150 megabits per second on the N side and 430 megabits per second on the AC side for a total maximum bandwidth of 580 megabits per second. Some of the features listed on the front of the box: HD power, upgrade devices to wireless AC, high performance HD video and gaming, unique design for easier mobility. Taking a look at the back of the box here, you can see it says connect and upgrade your devices to the newest, most powerful wireless AC technology. And it also gives you a list of features and specifications. Up to 430 megabits per second on wireless AC 5 GHz band, or up to 150 megabits per second on wireless N 2.4 GHz band. You can upgrade your laptop or desktop to wireless AC for superior performance and range. You can help avoid wireless interference in condensed areas. You can stream HD video and online gaming simultaneously throughout your home, and you can use this to connect to Wi-Fi hotspots. Just below that, it says for optimal performance, pair with a Linksys wireless router, which we did do a video on, so click here to check that out. Okay, now let's take a look inside the box. Pop open the front flap. Here you can see Linksys wireless adapter setup CD, a short installation guide, and driver disk, along with the USB adapter itself, the Linksys AE600, Cisco branding there, little plastic lid to protect it. Very small. Here's a SanDisk Cruiser to compare it to, so almost half the size of a USB flash drive. Okay, that's it for the unboxing portion of this. Now let's go take a look at performance. Okay, so now it's time to take a look at the performance. What we are going to be comparing for this is comparing the wireless USB adapter to the wireless adapter inside of the laptop I'm testing this on, and also comparing it to a gigabit wired connection. This laptop currently has an Intel Centrino wireless card in it. It is N on the 5 GHz frequency. I'm going to be testing this with a file that is approximately 2 gigabytes, and we'll be taking the average speed from all of the devices. So first up is the built-in wireless. Here you can see the file, and I will just drag it onto the desktop. Loading that copy, you can see it's varying between 6.8 and 7.1. So I think we're going to call the average of this 7 megabytes per second. So the internal Intel wireless Centrino card on 5 gigahertz N scores 7 megabytes per second. Now let's take a look at the USB adapter. Now let's take a look at the Linksys wireless USB adapter. However, this time we are testing it on the 2.4 gigahertz band. So this is N speeds on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency. we're going to be copying the same file. As you can see, it's varying between 3.1 and about 2. So I think we're going to call this 2 megabytes per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band on the Linksys wireless adapter. Now let's test the 5 gigahertz band. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the Linksys USB adapter on the 5 gigahertz frequency, and this is wireless AC. So this is no longer wireless N, we are on wireless AC now. Okay, it began to copy. We're again varying from about 13.1 to 13.6, 12.9. So I think we're going to call this at 13 megabytes per second on wireless AC on the Linksys USB adapter. Now, time for the final one, wired. Okay, now let's take a look at a wired connection. I am not 100% sure whether this is gigabit or 100 megabit, but let's try it anyways. Okay, as you can see, it is copying at about 11.4, 12.2, so about 11 to 12 megabytes per second. I believe this is actually 100 megabyte judging by these results, because if this was gigabit, this would be going a lot faster. I think the laptop's Ethernet adapter is only 100 megabit. Okay, so those are the results for the Linksys AE600 USB adapter. On the Linksys USB adapter, 5 gigahertz frequency, that is AC, we achieved speeds of about 13 megabytes per second average. On the 2.4 gigahertz frequency, that is N, we achieved speeds of about 3 megabytes per second average. On the laptop's internal adapter, that is a Centrino wireless card, N 5 gigahertz, we achieved speeds of 7 megabytes per second average. And on wired 100 megabit per second connection, we achieved speeds of 11 megabytes per second. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up down below. If you have any comments, feel free to share and subscribe for more videos.